Trivia night, Dominica. Let's see if you really know the nature isle of the Caribbean. Who gave Dominica its modern name? A. The Caribs. B. Christopher Columbus. C. The British. D. A local chief. Answer B. Christopher Columbus. He sighted it on a Sunday in 1493 and named it Domingo, Dominica. What did the island's first inhabitants call it? A. Kalina. B. Wallacabuli. C. Waitukabuli. D. Manikou. Answer C. Waitukabuli, meaning tall is her body, honoring Dominica's towering green peaks. When did Dominica officially gain independence from Britain? A. 1967. B. 1978. C. 1981. D. 1983. Answer B. 1978. November 3rd is celebrated each year as Independence Day with music and parades. What is Dominica's official national motto? A. Forward ever. B. Après le bon Dieu, c'est la terre. C. Unity and progress. D. Peace and prosperity. Answer B. Après le bon Dieu, c'est la terre. After God, the earth, reflecting their deep respect for nature. How many people live in Dominica today? Approx. A. 50K. B. 74K. C. 120K. D. 210K. Answer B. Around 73,700, one of the smallest populations in the Caribbean. Which rare color appears on Dominica's national flag? A. Silver. B. Purple. C. Pink. D. Copper. Answer B. Purple. In the feathers of the Cicero parrot, making it one of only 2 flags in the world to feature purple. Paul, how many Dominica questions did you get right today? Like, follow, and share if you love learning about the nature isle of the Caribbean.